Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is going on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So in this video, Bitcoin is forming a golden cross, which right now could mark the start of a bullish cycle. Also friends, in this video we'll show you a huge number of interesting metrics that may indicate that right now Bitcoin can turn around and go already by $25,000 in the near future. So be sure to watch this video till the end, and also in this video we will talk about altcoins, which may have grown very strongly over the past week, and explain why this is happening. Why is this happening right now? And I will show you some metrics, so watch this video till the end. It will be very interesting. So we will start. Friends, we are now on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, we have a Bitcoin chart, 1 hour time frame, trade zone, which began on January 20 and has been going on for 18 days. As you can see, these 18 days we don't make an overlay. Here we have a very strong support level from the level of $22,329, and as you can see, we have always maintained this support level. Lately it has always held up so much that it didn't even make an overlay. As you can see, we are not making an overlay, and this is very bullish structure, a bullish formation, which can tell us that we will grow in the future. Also traders, we are moving to the 4 hour time frame. As you remember, we had a rising wedge here, which kind of made its way down. I even opened a local short position, but yesterday I was knocked out by stop loss. The stop loss was at break even, which means that nothing was lost in this position, but right now I'm out of position. I promised to tell you about that, and now I'm telling you in this video. Now I'm not in short. I will see what happens next. A little later I will tell you where you can open a long position. Also traders, as you can see right now, I have a long position on BYBIT. I didn't exit the long position. I will only accumulate it further with the right level from where I will collect Bitcoin. But right now, as you can see, my long position is open, and therefore I still have huge profit. Yes, it didn't work with the short position. Yes, we just broke even, but nevertheless the long position remains. Accordingly, I'm now in a huge profit on BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. And if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your 30,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now they have a competition. You can claim your bonuses, so follow the link in the description. So we are moving to the 1 hour time frame. Again, we see here such a formation and expanding formation. Also, the level of support is very strong. We also talked about it in the last video. I said that if we break through this support level, this will be immediately go to $21,260. So far this hasn't happened, and we haven't made an overlay. In general, we had breakouts under this support level, but it held out and shows itself quite well. Bitcoin is looking pretty bullish right now. If suddenly you want to open a long position, if you don't have a global position open, which we have been accumulating with $15,000, yes, we accumulated it below $17,000, so that short-term loan may look like this now. From the lower border you can try to go long with a target of $25,000. After we test this lower range again, we can try going long. Stop loss is set at $22,200. So why such a low stop? Why with so many percentages? Stop 2.65%, because a squeeze can happen. You can be knocked out in this way when testing this support. If you put a stop just a little bit lower than the local barks, that's somewhere in the region of $22,598, you can simply be squeezed out, and then you will be out of position. And after that, Bitcoin may already fly up to $25,000 without you. So this is the position. I see it now more or less logical. Therefore, if you want to open some local loan now, you can try this setup. And now loan will still be safer at least in the picture that we will see now. Then opening shorts, of course. Double raised wedge. Yes, it was broken down, but it hasn't worked itself out yet. Yes, maybe we are on the rising wedge. If we return to the 4-hour time frame again, we can still do at least a retest of this trend line and go down from the retest. So it could potentially look something like this. We will still grow to this trend line, which was formed on January 18, and after it will already go down. This can also quite possibly happen, so when you enter a position, don't forget to put stops at break-even. Roughly speaking, if you entered at the very bottom. So traders, move to another time frame. This is our daily time frame, and right now we have a golden cross. A golden cross is forming, and right now it could signify that we have started a bull market. This has already happened several times, and the last time there was a golden intersection of the 50 movement, which is marked in yellow, and the 200 movement, which is marked in white. We had a huge move and a bull market started. So that is the last time, for example, when this happened, it was this point September 16, and after that, yes, of course, we fell a little bit by 13%. They made such a squeeze, took liquidity, but after that, they left by 48%. So that is, they grew by almost 50%, depending on which exchange to look at. And also traders, when was the last time we had a golden cross? Then look at how many percent we went up. This was the last such crossing on May 22nd, and after that, we flew from $8,500, we flew to $65,000. That is, you could make a huge amount of profit. And now I will tell you what happens when the golden yellow line crosses the white line. When the yellow line, the 50s moving, crosses the 200s moving, we have a death cross. And after that death cross, we fall. The last time this happened, look, it was here. It happened on January 17th, and after that, on January 17th, we fell by 67%, and all this went on for 387 days. 386 days after the first death cross was formed, and everything came to the point that the golden cross was already formed. This fall was 386 days. We have been falling for more than a year, and accordingly it very much coincides with the previous similar cycles. Let's see, the last time the golden cross was formed on May 19, and about 389 days passed before the next death cross. That is, you see a pattern. Here from the previous golden cross to the current death cross, 389 days have passed. And here about the same 389 days have passed from the death cross to the golden cross. So this is a great pattern. It was work out in one direction, and then it can work out in the other direction. If you entered using this strategy, for example, at $7,900 and even exited at $42,000, you simply took a huge amount of interest. And then again, we were able to enter this intersection, make 50%, exit here again, skip this whole fall, and re-enter at super low values after making a huge amount of profit. An excellent pattern which says that in the near future we will try to grow up to 50%. Yes, we can make a small drop, for example by 16% to $19,000. Make a correction, but after that we can grow by 50%. We can safely grow to $30,000 in the near future and achieve our goal. Also traders, look directly at the altcoin index. Look, AGX is 193%, GRT is 112%, HEX is 77%, and that's all for the last week. Why is this happening? Why do altcoins grow so much? It's simple. You need to look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Recently, the dominance of Bitcoin has been growing. It was grown by about 10%, and in the last 18 days when we have a trading range, Bitcoin has grown. Now we have a range in which Bitcoin is traded. Whales are pouring into altcoins at this time, and the dominance of Bitcoin is falling. whales go from Bitcoin to altcoins, and altcoins grow after that. In this way, they first made money on the growth of Bitcoin. Then in this trade, they redistributed the assets into various altcoins. Altcoins grew and can still grow, and dominance can fall to about these values, and after that, there will be a splinter and they will switch back to Bitcoin. We can fall now, the altcoin will rise, then the whales will exit the altcoin and pump Bitcoin again, and this is the usual pump and dump system. Altcoin is now growing because the dominance of Bitcoin is falling. The whales are redistributing the assets from Bitcoin, on which they have already earned more than 50%, into altcoins, on which they are now earning huge percentages. Because over the past week, the largest altcoin has grown by almost 200%. So what do you think about that? Write your opinion in the comments. So I hope you like this video and I hope you like my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. It's all for now.